Hello my students, today in this video I would like to discuss about how to prepare yourselves for the upcoming SSC CGL exams, and the syllabus of the whole exam will also be discussed. So here I would like to start my class, so kindly keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels and press the notification bell icon for more videos. So here is my suggestion. So, syllabus for SSC CGL Tier 1. You know that Tier 1 exam will be held soon. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, Tier 4, all exam will be held in successive orders. So, syllabus for SSC CGL Tier 1. The first, error spotting. You have to find out the error. You are not asked to correct the error. Second is one word substitution. Third one is fill in the blanks. Sentence correction. Here you have to correct the sentence, not just about spotting the errors, but correct the sentence. Number 5, phrases and idioms. Number 6, spelling correction. Active passive voice. Eight, synonyms and antonyms. Reading comprehension. A short comprehension passage will be given and you are asked to write some questions or answers in respect of the passage. You will be given some blanks or something like that. Ten, sentence improvement. So these are the chapters selected for the SSC CGL Tier 1 exam. So error spotting, fill in the blanks, one word substitution, reading comprehension, sentence improvement, sentence correction, phrases and idioms, spelling correction, active and passive voice, synonym and antonym. You have to practice everything thoroughly before taking the exam. Now here is my suggestion, which books to be followed and which one not. Okay, suggested books, I am going to write the suggested books that can be followed to take the exams. Important preference books. objective general English by S.P. Bakshi. Aryahant Publications. So my first suggestion is to follow this book. You all know that Aryahant Publication is very famous for all these competitive exams. So my second suggestion goes to Plinth to Paramount by Neetu Singh. It's a very nice book. You can also follow this book. The third suggestion for the upcoming exam, quick learning objective general English by R.S. Agarwal and Vikas Agarwal. So these are my three suggestions for the books that you can follow if you are going to appear at the SSC CGL Tier 1 exam. So the first option is Objective General English by S.P. Bakshi. It is in list number 1. It is in number 1 as it is published by the publication, famous publication Aryahant. The second suggestion goes to Plinth to Paramount. It is also a very famous book. And if you think that these books are not available anywhere, then you can also follow this book named Quick Learning Objective General English by R.S. Agarwal and Vikas Agarwal. As the Agarwals are very famous for the competitive exam related books, so you can follow these books. But the first option, be careful, the first suggestion goes to the Aryahant publication. Okay. Now here is my suggestion about how to prepare for the exam. It's a very important chapter of learning. How to prepare. How to prepare? First, improve vocabulary. So my students, you should always take it into account. There is no easy way to grab vocabulary. But I would like to suggest to you that you all should follow the newspaper on a regular basis to be in great connections with vocabulary, spellings and sentence construction. Once you follow the newspaper, any English newspaper on a regular basis, so your vocabulary will be built up, your spellings will also be built up, and you will also learn the sentence construction. So there is a great benefit of following the newspaper. So if you are a student going to appear, or if you are going to appear at these competitive exams, you should always follow some newspapers regularly. So, improved vocabulary is a very important thing to be successful in any competitive exams. Second suggestion, brush up your English grammar. Here, brush up means cultivate your English grammar more and more. Follow more and more books. Follow newspapers. So automatically you can be able to brush up your English grammar. So these are 2 points very important if you are going to take the SSC CGL Tier 1 exam. Work on improving reading skills. If you follow the newspaper regularly, if you read the newspaper regularly, so this problem, improving reading skill, will automatically be solved. So kindly follow the English newspaper regularly. This will help you a lot to take the exam. It is not only about SSC or CGL. It is about every exam, every competitive exam. If you always follow some newspaper, English newspaper regularly, you will be benefited from this. So kindly follow the newspaper regularly. This will help you know more and more vocabulary. This will help you improve your reading skill. This will also help you improve your spelling mistakes and corrections. Now the fourth suggestion, solve past year paper. Always go back to the previous year exams, the exams of 2018, 2019, 2020, something like that. So this will give you a vivid idea about how the exam or about how the question is going to be given. So kindly follow the past year exam thoroughly, not superficially but thoroughly. Okay. So the fifth suggestion, practice as many mock tests as possible. So these are the five suggestions that you can follow. First, improve vocabulary. How? Follow the newspaper regularly. This will help you improve the vocabulary. Brush up your English grammar. This means you have to look over the English grammar chapter once and again and know the clues and also keep them in mind. Work on improving reading skill. But how? The best options is to read out the newspapers without getting delayed. So, regular newspaper reading will help you a lot in improving reading skills. Solve past year paper is also very important as far as these exams are concerned. Practice as many mock tests as possible. Once you practice as many mock tests as possible, This will give you enough confidence to sit for the exam and to be successful in the exam too. So kindly keep watching my videos, subscribe to my channels and press the notification bell icon for more such videos. In my next videos, I will discuss the questions paper of 2018 year SSC CGL Tier 1 exam. This means I will discuss the 2018 paper for SSC CGL Tier 1 exam. So follow all these steps thoroughly. I hope you all will be successful in the exam. But before that, do not miss any suggestion that I have given to you. These suggestions will certainly be helpful for all of you to be greatly successful in the competitive exams. So here is my class for the day. Here is my suggestion for the day, I should say. So kindly keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels. If you have any queries regarding these suggestions, do not hesitate at all to drop your queries in the comment box. I am always here to give you the fittest reply. Have a nice day. Again, I will take my class tomorrow. Okay, my students.